Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail. I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
All right, guys. Today we have Judge Fleischer handling a 19-year-old defendant with multiple aggravated assault charges who thought it was a smart idea to threaten the witnesses in his case while sitting in jail. It's a pretty bold move, but in Judge Fleischer's courtroom, there is absolutely no tolerance for this kind of behavior. The 19-year-old in this case here complains that he needs his phone and that he has no TV, and basically he's just a big baby in this one. But this is also a great reminder of why witness intimidation is a serious offense that can stack on to even more trouble, especially in cases like this. What do you guys think about this court case? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive in here.
Come on, time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Fortnite? Come on, man. I'm itching to go play. Judge. Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases when we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
That is just absolutely crazy to me. Like, not only are you threatening the witnesses in your own case, but you're also straight up confessing to planning future crimes. Like, how do you even manage to be this reckless? Honestly, though, this guy is pretty much an idiot, and I am just dying to see how Judge Fleischer reacts once the prosecutor finishes laying it all out here. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think Judge Fleischer should do to this criminal while he awaits his trial? Personally, I don't know what else they could do other than take his phone away, but let me know if you guys have any thoughts. Let's dive back in.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
She just told you.
Please stop.
So.
And just, I just want to reiterate.
Please, go ahead.
He's 19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats, allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but until I know that you're not a threat, I mean.
He's typing everything
Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out because I'm going to ask you, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
I honestly feel bad for the defense attorney in this one. I mean, you can just tell she's struggling, like she knows there's no defending this guy intimidating a witness, but she's got to say something, you know, but her best argument is literally just, well, he's just 19 and he needs to talk to his family, but in court, that is just not going to stand up when this guy's out here threatening people, when he's got assault charges and, you know, he's been hanging around these gang members. So, I mean, at 19, you're definitely old enough to know better, especially when it comes to messing with the law. What do you guys think, though? Is the defense attorney's argument a good excuse, or should Judge Fleischer lay down the hammer here? Let's get back to it.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, you know, and all that stuff gets so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because I mean, it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I did do that's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. I mean, you know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. I mean, you got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Understand that. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say
he's
any.
typing everything
and then
you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand. He's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about anything illegal. That's just.
What do you guys think about this court case here? Was Judge Fleischer being too soft, or was there really nothing else the judge could do in this situation? I mean, sure, taking the phone away might stop him from threatening witnesses for now, but does that actually solve the bigger issue? I'm not really too sure. This guy doesn't seem to be learning from his mistakes, and it's definitely frustrating watching someone dig themselves into an even deeper hole. But if we're being real here, a person with multiple charges who keeps making reckless decisions like this doesn't have the odds in their favor. I mean, the law doesn't play games, especially when it comes to witness intimidation. It's a very serious crime that can add even more years to his sentence here. And at this rate, it feels like he's definitely setting himself up for a life behind bars. Do you guys still think there's a chance for him to turn things around? Or is this guy too far gone and is he going to be behind bars for the rest of his life? Let me know your thoughts on this court hearing in the comments. Let me know if Judge Fleischer's decision was fair, or would you guys have handled it differently? Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day, so I appreciate you guys. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.